and welcome to my 4th of July weekend vlog. It's not quite the weekend yet, it's Thursday night, but does anyone else feel like Thursday nights are more like the weekend than Sundays? I feel like for me, Sundays are always like super like productive, responsible days, but by the time I get to Thursday, I'm just like over the week and I want to do something fun but also productive. So I'm here at the nail salon getting my nails done. I have not had my nails done in like 3 weeks. They're really grown out. They look terrible. I think I'm gonna go for some fun red for the 4th of July. But it's gonna be kind of a combination of a productive and chill weekend. I'm actually going to Dallas next week for work. So hopefully I'll be able to get a work vlog up. I think that should be pretty fun. I'm gonna be like on site all day in Dallas, but at night I might get a chance to do a little exploring. So hopefully I can see some of the city. But this weekend I really need to like prep for that. We're also having a family cookout. Some of our family is coming up from out of town. And my boyfriend and I are gonna do a couple things. I think we're gonna go to a winery. So it should just be a fun weekend filled with a lot of different things. So if you're new to my channel, I live in the Pittsburgh area. I work in internal audit and I make a lot of content on fashion, beauty, and traveling. So if you like that kind of thing, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and stick around. They look so good. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. He did such a good job. I did go with the red for the 4th of July. Now I have to run to Target. You guys, I actually need stuff there. I need like small travel sized, like shampoo, mouthwash, that kind of stuff for the trip because I traveled 3 times back in April and May, and I like used up all of my travel stuff on those trips, so I actually need to go to Target for that. I also want to pick up some more key lime sparkling water. I love the LaCroix key lime, and for some reason, I don't know, I can't find it at a lot of places, but Target like always has it, so I want to get that. And maybe I'll look at Target's clothes. They've been having really cute clothes lately and it's all been like on sale. I got this really cute pair of like black linen shorts a couple weeks ago. I showed it in a haul. I also got like some tan leggings that were really cheap, so might take a peek in the clothes, but only if it's like less than $20 an item. That's my Target budget for you. I might have tried on the whole dressing room, but fortunately only one of the items worked out, and that was this brown leather coat that I got for $12. And like, yeah, it's like pleather and it's not like the best quality, but it was a really nice fit. And like, if I wear it 3 times, I think it's worth the money. Good morning, you guys. It's 4th of July, Friday. I've already gotten a lot of work done today. I need today to be super productive, both at work and after. I want to try to get packed up for Dallas and so that I can enjoy the rest of the weekend, and tomorrow and Sunday can just be like really fun days. So we have a lot we need to do today. Of course, I'm drinking my Nespresso out of my original Starbucks cup. I feel like literally every time I vlog, I use this cup. I have other cups, believe it or not, but I don't know. Every time I vlog, I'm just using this cup. It's weird. But anyway, that's the update for today. Yesterday I came home, I did a workout, I did some writing, I watched some YouTube. It was, you know, pretty uneventful, nothing really to show, but I just wanted to come on here and check in so we could keep the vlog flowing and cohesive. So the workday is done and it's now time to start packing for Dallas. I'm going to show you guys my outfits that I'm bringing. So this is a work trip and we'll be here Tuesday through Friday, but Tuesday and Friday are travel days. So I really only need like 2 work outfits. So I'm going to bring this dress. I feel like it's super professional and it's also supposed to be in the hundreds. So I need something like cool. And then I'm gonna bring this dress as well. It's not as professional looking, but it's kind of like looser, so it's not like inappropriate or anything. I'm just not wearing pants in this heat. And then I'm gonna travel in this exercise dress since I won't be like seeing anyone from work the day I travel. And then I'm gonna bring this with biker shorts to travel home. And I'm also gonna bring this green dress just for like casual after dinner to change into. And I might bring like one more casual dress too. I'm gonna do a little mini haul for you guys from Bath and Body Works. Just a couple things that I picked up. I got this pink lilac and vanilla soap. The sale was still going on, so I stopped in and picked up a few more things. I got this Canyon body wash that I'm gonna give to my boyfriend. It smells really good and I think he'll like it. And then I could not resist this candle, Bubbly Rosé. It's a really nice, clean scent. I don't know if it necessarily smells like rosé, but it's very clean and feminine, which I like. And then these are some random things I picked up at Target. I love these Eyelure London Wispy Light lashes. They're really nice. Like, you can definitely tell you're wearing lashes when you wear them, but they're still like on the more natural side for fake lashes, so I like them. And I also am going to try out this Covergirl Exhibitionist Stretch and Strengthen mascara. I'm on the hunt for a good drugstore mascara. I feel like mascara and bronzer are the two hardest things for me to find. As far as makeup goes, I like the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, but it's pretty expensive. So I'm always looking for like drugstore dupes to try out. Happy Saturday, you guys. I just worked out. We're having a little post-workout snack. I'm trying this almond milk yogurt. I literally hate yogurt so much, but I'm trying it with almond milk. I've never had it before and I might like it. I've also recently been on a blackberry grind. And then I'm gonna have a granola bar. So, on a health kick for the first part of the day. Then later, we're getting Southern food, French fries, and fun drinks. It's all about balance. So update, I got the Kite Hill brand and it doesn't have that completely awful taste that yogurt has. Like, I hate the taste of yogurt. It just has like such a sour taste. And it still has that a little bit, but definitely not as much. And it helps if I put granola in it because I hate like really creamy, soft foods. And having a little bit of crunch in it helps. I still can't say it's like something I love, but it's like tolerable. And the reason why I'm doing it is just because I want to incorporate just more healthy food options in my life. I'm just always looking for like new healthy foods that I like to add into my diet. But I'm not going to force myself to have it if I don't really like it. I'm going to do some daytime skincare before I put on my makeup. And I'm going to do the Pharmacy Deep Sweep to kind of clear out my pores. This really helps if you have like enlarged pores on your nose. And then I'm going to put on this IT Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream underneath my makeup. We are going to make an afternoon coffee with this lime mint flavor. It tastes like Phil's. So this is my outfit. Ignore my dusty mirror. But I'm wearing this black romper from Express with a tie, little exposed skin. I love it. It's super cute. I struggle with finding a romper sometimes because I'm tall, but this one fits like so perfectly. So I made it to Nick's apartment. There's like no parking here like there sometimes is, so he's gonna grab his little thing and let me in the garage. But tonight we are going to Mount Washington. We're gonna go to this really fun cocktail bar called The Summit. They have really good cocktails, and we're also going to dinner at Tupelo Honey. I know it's like a chain restaurant, but it just came to Pittsburgh a couple months ago actually. So we've never tried it, so we're excited to get some food there. And yeah, that's our plans for the night. We might ride the Incline up to the top of Mount Washington. Neither of us have ever ridden it, but every time we've tried to ride it in the past, there's always been something that's come up. Like the one time we tried to ride it in the winter and it was like so cold, and we're like, it probably doesn't have heat, so it's probably not a good idea. So I'm not sure if we'll do that or not, but we're just gonna have a fun little night out.
Stay here, no, ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now.
We are going on the incline. I am scared, but it's gonna be okay. Because it's worked for over 100 years, as someone said.
152 actually. It's moving.
Look how small these are. It's crazy.
My mind, we've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance. You.
Super fresh, got a little lemon to it. It's the vanilla's on the end there. Very good drink. Would order again.
We were just so surprised because we didn't think that's what the drink was going to look like, or that I was going to like it, because apparently it has like chamomile and Riesling in it. And meanwhile, I got this Cosmo. It's like super sour and limey and weird. We are riding the incline. We went to the summit. We had some yum-tastic cocktails, and we're going back down.
We were really inclined towards the drinks at the top of the incline.
We would recommend the incline to anyone that's a tourist in Pittsburgh. I mean, I've lived here my whole life, but this is my first time riding it, so it's been exciting. It's not scary. It's not like a roller coaster.
No, not quite. It's just like being dragged up a hill in a small room at about 5 miles an hour.
We have like our own little cart, which we like. We're vibing.
It's a vibe.
But don't come here if it's like super cold or super hot, because they don't have, it's not climate controlled, so, you know, it happens.
Indeed.
I was making a scene because my shoes are very clicky and clacky. You accused me of making a scene.
The biggest of scenes.
Good morning, you guys. Well, it is past morning, but my aunt and cousin are in from Colorado this week, and we were with them earlier this morning, and then they left with my parents to go somewhere, and I just took a shower. But last night was super fun. I totally recommend riding the incline. I can't believe I have never done that living in Pittsburgh my whole life. But it was just so much fun. It was like a really cool view of the city. The drinks at Summit were okay. I remember them being better, but I don't know. I feel like my standards for cocktails have just like really gone up. Like even in the last few months, I feel like I'm like becoming a cocktail snob. I don't know. They were just like kind of sweeter than I remembered, but they're like really pretty, and it's still a fun place to go. I think I'm being harsh on them. But anyway, I didn't work out this morning because my aunt and cousin were here. And I'm just kind of tired from last night too, but Nick and I are gonna hang out again today. We're gonna go to a winery and have a little Sunday fun day. I honestly like never go really anywhere on Sundays. I don't even usually go to the mall on Sundays. I basically will just like go to church and like get coffee. But since tomorrow is the 4th of July, Nick is actually not working for the 4th of July, and since he's in medicine, he works on a lot of holidays, so when we can like take advantage of his time off, we do. So that's why we want to do like something fun today, and we just thought a winery would be nice since it's like really nice outside. And they also have food there. They have really good Italian food, so we're gonna get dinner and some wine. And then tomorrow, my parents are having a cookout with my aunt and cousin, and I think my brother's girlfriend is coming over, maybe some of his friends, and then Nick is coming over tomorrow. So that's kind of the plan for the rest of the weekend. I'm just gonna get ready, and I have to leave in about 2 hours, so I have plenty of time. I am all ready to leave. I'm wearing this dress from Amazon. I really like it. I always size up in Amazon dresses. This is a large, but I would say it fits more like a traditional medium. But I love it. It's just super comfy and pretty good quality, actually. I curled my hair. I have my little Target shoulder bag. Bougie on a budget. Let's go. We are at Narcisi. We got some wine. I got the rosé. You got a Catawba. And we're sitting by the fountain vibing.
Really chill vibes.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
We are on our second wine. I got a Pinot Grigio. At first I was mad because Nick persuaded me to get a Pinot Grigio instead of a Sauvignon Blanc. And I feel like this tastes like dry mold. And the Sauvignon Blanc would taste like a refreshing pear, but I could be wrong. The Sauvignon Blanc could have been super sweet.
Guess we'll just have to find out on number 3.
What did you get?
I got a Chardonnay, and it tastes like a Chardonnay.
I'm glad. I'm glad you think it tastes like a Chardonnay. That's important.
It has buttery taste to it.
I don't like buttery wine. I like dry wine. So we just finished up at Kingfly. We had a super fun time. It's still kind of light out, even though it's like 9:30. And we're gonna go back to Nick's apartment and maybe sit out by the fire pit and watch some fireworks. So that's the update.